So hey guys, welcome back to a new video of my channel, and today's video let's learn how to make Sprycel and Vacuum Beyblade at home. So I'm today going to make this Beyblade and it will be 100% burstable, and let's see how to make it. Now first, how to make the layer. I will take 4 cut cardboard pieces of the Beyblade and stick it together. After this, the layer will look like something like this. Now, you should make a burst functional system to help the Beyblade burst. So, you should use some super glue, or if you have glue gun at your home, you can use that. Okay. Now, to make the disc, you will need 3 circular round cardboard pieces and 2 like this. So, now you should stick them with glue. You can use any glue, but the glue should be little bit powerful, so I have took Fevicol. If you have glue gun, you can use that, it would be much more better. Now stick all these cardboard pieces together. I have stick all those 3 circular cardboard pieces and the this shape cardboard pieces, and you should stick them together nicely. So friends, now it's safe, like, share and subscribe. After sticking, you will get it like this. Now take 2 cardboard pieces and stick it to over here. Let me show you how. First, put some super glue on one side and take it and put it on the disc tightly. After that, your disc will look something like this. Okay? Now, to make the disc, to make the last part of the Beyblade, the driver, you will need 3 display cardboard pieces and 2 circular cardboard pieces and 1 with a tip. And now stick these all pieces with gum. After sticking, your driver will look like this, and make sure that your tip is stable. Well, mine is stable. It is also known as tip. The driver is like the real word for it. And take your another burst functional system and stick it in the center. And friends, now within 3 minutes, our burstable Sprycel and Vacuum Beyblade is ready. Everyone can make this at home, and I drew out this photo of Sprycel and Vacuum. It's very easy, and because of the lockdown we are not able to get out, and we can make these type of Beyblade, and it is very exciting to play, and I recommend everyone to make one of these. And let's assemble the parts. And friends, now let's assemble our Beyblade. First, insert your disc into your Beyblade and check whether the burst functional system and the line of the disc is same. Now, I think you might know the technology of the burst functional system. And now insert your driver and gently turn. And now our Beyblade is locked, and yeah, it's spinning. Well, it is spinning awesome, and let's do a test launch. And friends, let me show you how the burst functional system works. Now, as you can see, the Beyblade is locked, but if we spin it, it's unlocked. So that's how the burst functional system works. And as you can see, our Beyblade is also complete. And as I told, let's do some test spins. Let's launch our Beyblade. 3, 2. And as you can see, our Beyblade is spinning nice. Let's spin it one more time. Three, two. And as you can see, friends, our Sprycen Rectum Beyblade is spinning smoothly. Now you saw the test spin of Sprycen Rectum Beyblade. I hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.